Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. Simply open up the Excel sheet and see the data. In first column there is fruits, in second column there is vegetables, and in third column there is nuts. So we have to apply drop down. So we have to create dependent drop down list in this sheet. So let's start the process. We have to select all the data set and we have to make it in table form. So simply select it and go to the insert tab and find table option here. A pop-up will appear. Here we have K button. See, our data set is converted into table format. Now we have to save the fruit names in fruit section and vegetable names in vegetable section and nuts name in nuts section. To do this, we have to go to the formula in main menu and select create from selection button. Here we have to check only top row, then press OK button. Now all the data is saved into the respective category. For example, fruits name data is stored in fruits category, vegetable names data is stored in vegetable category, and nuts name data is stored in nuts category. Now start the process to create a drop down list. First click on fruits. In category section, first click on fruits and go to the data tab and select data validation. A pop-up will appear. Here we have to select list and in source section simply select fruits and then press OK. Similarly for vegetables, click on vegetable, go to the data and then data validation. Select the list here and in source section select vegetables and then press OK. Similarly, select nuts and go to the data and then data validation. Here check the list and in source section click on nuts and then press OK button. Now our main goal is to create a drop down list of fruit names in name section and vegetable names in name section, also nuts name in nuts name section. For doing this, we have to make a formula that is called indirect formula. Simply select the cell and go to the data and then select data validation. Here we have to check the list and in source section simply write equal indirect small bracket and click fruits and close the bracket and then press OK. See, the list of fruits has shown. Similarly for vegetables, select the cell, go to the data and then press data validation. Check the list here and in source section write the formula equal indirect bracket, select vegetable cell and close the bracket, press OK. See, all the names of vegetables has been shown in the list. Similarly for nuts, select the cell, go to the data and then press data validation. Click on list and in source section simply write the formula equal indirect brackets, select on nuts, close the bracket and then press OK button. See, the list of nuts name has been shown here. We can select any names corresponding to the categories of fruits, vegetables and nuts etc. So that's how to create dependent drop down list in Microsoft Excel. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.